Hello, Blazers. Good afternoon, and welcome back to Manifest Your Best Life Live. I am so thrilled to have you here for day 4 of this journey. And if we haven't met yet, I am Rhonda Dillard, and it is my passion to help ambitious women just like you manifest vibrant health, joy, and financial freedom now so you can truly enjoy your life and embrace an early retirement. We've been breaking down my daily manifesting routine, and this routine completely changed my life, okay? This routine gave me more peace, more joy, and an incredible sense of clarity and purpose. And I've watched it transform my ability to manifest everything that I've ever wanted, and noticed how lucky I've become. And my hope is that it will do the same for you. Now imagine having a tool that helps you understand yourself better, release old limiting beliefs, and create a mindset that is laser focused on your dreams. That's exactly what today's topic can do for you. Journal prompts. These are not just exercises, they are a way to rewire your mind one thought at a time so you can step into the life that you've always wanted, right? Journal prompts are simple. They're focused questions or ideas that help you dig deep into your thoughts, your beliefs, and your desires. They are like a flashlight, for your subconscious mind, shining light on what's holding you back and what's waiting to be unlocked. When you take the time to journal, you are not just writing. You are creating clarity, releasing negative patterns, and planting seeds of the person that you are becoming, that you want to become, right? Here's the magic of journal prompts. They make the invisible visible. They help you put your thoughts into words so that you can see what's been running like in the background of your mind. And once you see it, you can address it or change it or enhance it. You can reframe old stories, let go of your limiting beliefs, and align your mindset with your goals. And that's where transformation really starts, right? Think of journaling as your own personal roadmap. It shows you where you've been, where you are, and where you want to go. And there's also a space to dream bigger, reflect on what's possible, give yourself permission to grow. And when you journal with intention, that means you do it with certain thoughts in mind, right? Using prompts, journal prompts is a great way to do that. They can be tailored to your manifesting journey. You're not just recording your thoughts, you're rewriting your story one entry at a time. Now, today's prompt in day 4 is simple, but it's powerful. Describe a vision board that represents your goals and desires. What images and words would you include on that board to make it more powerful? I want you to imagine creating a vision board that feels like a window into your dream life, okay? A collection of images and words that inspire you, motivate you, keep your goals front and center. Maybe it includes pictures of a dream home that you're working towards, vibrant photos that represent your health and your energy, and you can use words as well. You could put abundance and freedom and joy, much joy, right, to remind you of the feelings that you want to manifest. The key is to fill it with all the things that makes your heart light up and align what you truly want. Take a moment today, just take a moment to describe your ideal vision board in detail. I mean, what would it look like? What feelings does it bring up? And this exercise will help you bring your goals into sharp focus and anchor your dreams in your reality, right? If you haven't ever thought about all your dreams, who you want to become, that this is the time to do that. Okay, let's go through our daily manifesting routine for day 4 real quick. Your morning mantra is grateful heart. So if you don't know anything about morning mantras, if this is your first day joining me, go back to day 1 and let's go and see what you do, how you do a morning mantra. Okay, it's a meditation. It's the most simple form of meditation. All right. Whenever you if you want to go and look at a synopsis of how I do my daily manifesting routine, go to my TikTok channel, to my collections, or it's actually pinned at the top called Day 1. And it's also on my YouTube channel, on my daily manifesting routine playlist. So go take a look there. Get your imagination flowing with something really good that you see happening today during your morning visualization movie. That's the next thing on the list. Your affirmation for the day is, I am grateful for my unique talents and embrace opportunities to share them with the world. I'm grateful for my unique talents and embrace opportunities to share them with the world. Read it, write it, say it out loud, say it all day. And then, of course, your journal prompt is to write about what you would put on a vision board, right? Then your gratitude directive is very simple, as always. Hold the door open for someone, and don't forget to smile at them and say hello, okay? Hold the door open for someone. That's your gratitude directive today. Your evening mantra is peaceful sleep. This is one of my favorites. Peaceful sleep. That really helps calm your mind, doesn't it? Now, don't forget to take the last 5 minutes awake to visualize your perfect day or something special that you've achieved or that you want to achieve as you've already achieved it in your evening visualization movie. And I'm going to talk about this in a few days because this is one of the most important things that you can do. All right. That's day 4, Blazers. And if this practice speaks to your soul, let me tell you, this is just the beginning. Okay. Go grab my free must-have guide to manifesting. Just go and look at the 3 non-negotiable habits that the most successful manifestors live by. They are all the way through my daily manifesting routine: gratitude, meditation, and visualization. These habits have transformed my life, and I know they can transform yours too. And don't forget, you can find all 30 days of my daily manifesting routine in my TikTok collections or on my YouTube DMR playlist, okay? This routine is a blueprint for building the life that you've been dreaming of. Or if you aren't there yet, then let's do it together. Now is your time to claim it. Y'all have a great day.